perfect way to make your okra base for your soup. And in case you're wondering, this video is going to teach you how you can. Hello sweet fingers lovers, welcome to my channel. It's your favorite girl again, Shepose, and on today's episode I'll be teaching you the easiest way to make your okra soup base for your stew or your soup. So let's get right into it. These are all the ingredients you need. This is our potash, also known as corn. It helps to make your okra be very slimy. Our okra, our locust beans, our crab, and also our shrimps and prawns. So in the pot, we're just going to add our water to this, little water depending on the quantity of your okra. Allow it to bring to a boil. Then you're going to rinse your locust beans, that's your iru, add it inside, and also a little bit of potash. Then we're going to add our fresh crabs and also our fresh prawns to this. Making sure it's properly seated inside our pots. Add a little bit of salt to taste. Mix together, and then we're just going to cover this and allow it to boil between 2 to 3 minutes, because mind you, our seafood doesn't take time to get cooked properly. So this is after 4 minutes, and this is what we have. Our crab and our prawn is fully cooked. So we're just going to add our okra to this, and then we're just going to mix together. All we have to do is just to mix this properly, and then I'm going to add a little bit of water to this. It's better you add little water gradually than having a lot of water. You're going to ruin it. Then I'm just going to cover it and allow it to boil. Just so you know, you can cover your okra till it gets cooked. And also, our okra is a vegetable, so we don't want to overcook this so it doesn't lose all its nutrients. So we're just going to allow it to sit between 2 to 3 minutes on a medium heat, and that way your okra is ready. At this stage, we just have to serve. As you can see, I serve this with our eba and also our stew, which is our omyobe. So let me know, my sweet fingers lovers, what you think about this recipe. Are you going to recreate this recipe? Do not forget to tag me when you do that, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye.